I understand English, but I can't speak English. Well, this is very common problem. Many people face this problem. Initially, I used to face this problem. You are not alone. So, this is very common problem. Initially, when I started speak English, I had no practice partner. I had no chat GPT at that time. Sometimes I felt I gave up, but I knew that I am strong, I am persistent, I am committed of my English speaking journey. Well, in this video I am going to share with you how you can directly think in English, how you can directly speak English. In this video I will give you some simple and practically tips and tricks that actually work. So stay connected with me till the end, and I will promise you get something important from this video, and you think directly in English, you articulate your thought. So watch this video till the end. Many people understand English perfectly. They watch English movies, follow English YouTube videos, but when time to speak in English, their mind goes blank. What does that happen? Lack of speaking practice, lack of confidence, fear what will people think in his mind, fear of making mistake of grammar and pronunciation. So this is the main reason why you can't speak in English directly. But what's the solution? Well, I will giving you some solution. Is speaking in English daily for 5 minutes. Stand in front of mirror and talk in English for any topic. Travel destination, your hobbies, your relationship, your daily basis routine, what you are doing every day. Just start speaking in English. You feel very confident if you stand in front of mirror and talk yourself. Convert thinking into speaking. You already think in English. Try to say those thoughts out loud. For example, I have go to the market and I need to buy vegetable. So don't just think. Try to speak in English, and this is the very best way to express yourself. Use ChatGPT or English practice partner. I personally use ChatGPT to practice speaking conversation because it never laugh at me, it never judge you. You can also find it Ye Speak Buddy. You can also try to English conversation app as well. Record yourself. Yes, record yourself speaking English. It may feel awkward at first, but after 7 days you will see real progress. It's build your confidence and self-awareness. I used this trick. If you want, you can also use this trick. So this is very important and crucial way to express yourself and think in English directly in your way. Learn 5 new words and 5 new sentences every day and using them in sentences. So this is help of you to express your thought directly in English. So learn 5 new words and sentences every day. This which is help you very much to your speaking English journey. Guys, speaking English is not a talent. It's a skill. It can build with patience, consistency, persistence and perseverance. So if you feel this video helpful, like, share and subscribe, and let me in the comment section what's your favorite topics. Can you start speaking English today? I will see you in the next video. Bye people.